Ryan from Mourne Craft here. We're in Kilkeel. We're going to show you a glass balustrading that we've done for this new build home up the side of their stairs and across their landings. So this is the balustrading that we carried out at this new build home. The actual stairs themselves were actually manufactured by a local joinery works, Spacious joinery. We would work alongside Johnny and James quite frequently to create the glass balustrading across the stairs and along the landings. It just makes this big open space look more open. So as you can see, the glass for the staircase is screwed on to the side of the timber thread. On the landing up here, however, we actually fitted a channel underneath the floor. The tiles then run up to the glass and it just makes the glass look more seamless. Sometimes in new build homes, people maybe don't think of how the frameless glass balustrade is going to be fitted. The earlier that we can get involved with the new build, the more chance that the frameless effect is achievable. If you can imagine, if your tiling and already is done, it's very difficult to make the glass look frameless because your channel is actually going to be shown. So I can't emphasise enough how important it is to get Mourne Craft involved early on in the build. So this is the balcony of the main bedroom in the house. The customer here again didn't want to block their view for obvious reasons. You're looking out over the countryside here. So they wanted to go for something that provided shelter. So when you are sitting out here and there was a breeze, they're going to be sheltered but didn't obstruct your view. So we decided to go for our anthracite grey posts, tying them with the windows again and glass infill panels. So if you have a need for an external or internal balustrade, don't hesitate to contact us at info@mournecraft.com.